This 2024 Jayco Jay Flight 265 RLSW is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Prescott, Arizona, 86301 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Prescott. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Jayco and features Sleeps 4, Slideout. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, rear living area, 2 entry, exit doors. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.